Rebar content. Among the three types of rebar arrangements in parameterized rebar arrangement, the second and the third can only generate rebars in rectangular slabs, so it is necessary that we provide a new method for these special shaped slabs, calculate by rebar content. Select parameterized rebar arrangement, then you can see there are two generating modes. Generate rebar and rebar content, and generate rebar content. If you choose generate rebar content and rebar, the first type of rebar arrangement will be applied to all slabs, while the other two will only be generated in rectangular slabs. At the same time, there will be rebar content calculated by the slab rebar arrangement. As you can see, there are rebar content and rebar information in the slab attributes. Rebar content per unit volume is calculated based on the rebar arrangement, and you can input it manually. Rebar information specifies the rebar type, which also can be input manually. In case of different rebar types, you can use a slash to separate them. As you can see the results, volume of slab is 8.64, rebar content is 60/60ths, the total rebar weight for D13 and D19 are both 518.4. Therefore, when you use generate rebar content and rebar to arrange slab reinforcements, there will be both rebar and rebar content generated. For these slabs where no rebars can be generated, they will be calculated by the corresponding rebar contents. As for generate rebar content, there will be only rebar content generated in the slab attributes, and the rebars will be calculated by rebar content. The above is how TRB calculates rebar quantities by rebar content, and it is also applicable to rafts.